Hey guys, long time no see. Uh, I'll just get right to the chase. I like mystery boxes. I've had a few different ones over the years. Some from 2010 when Facebook was really picking up a lot. I currently am subscribed to Bespoke Post. I've gotten some really cool stuff from them. There's been a few. Hey, Smokey, come here. Everyone loves a cat in their videos. It always brings more views. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah, he'll come eventually. Everyone likes mystery boxes. No. Oh. As you might be able to tell, Smokey is only 3/4 of a cat. But he's my little buddy. Yeah. You're a good kitty. Alright, go on with your day, buddy. And I just really haven't wanted to. I have, but I've been trying to be a little more conscious. But I decided the other day, my lovely girlfriend just got me a new fishing rod for my birthday, and I've been in a fishing mood the past few months. And so I was at Walmart the other day getting some dog food, and they've got this one. Panfish and Trout Fishing Kit. Mystery box. Now, I've seen a few different ones over the last few months and weeks and whatever. And I really, completely honest, I just haven't shown that much interest in them. But this was on sale, $16. So, figure I'll open this bad boy up, see what there is, and then maybe I'll make a video in the next couple of days here, actually using this stuff at the river just down the road, and try and get me a fish. So, first off, Mystery Tackle Box by The Catch Co. 5 to 6 items, $25 value. This is box number 8. Yeah, like I said, it was like 16 and change for the box. Double boxed. I actually like these type of boxes. You can throw gear in if it, not gear, but just excess stuff. I've never actually seen anyone. This is kind of cool. I've never actually seen anyone open these. Now, it's got this little thing inside the box. Catch and win. Step 1, catch a fish using one of the baits in this box. Step 2, measure. Use the ruler below to see if you have a keeper. Step 3, share a picture of your fish on Instagram using the hashtag MTBKeeper. And it's got panfish at 6 inch, trout at 12, bass at 14, walleye 16, everything else at 18. The lid folds out into a ruler. That's kind of cool. Alright, so we got a sticker so far. I like stickers. Panfish and Trout, a little scanner. You guys can scan it if you want. I'm not saying you got to. Scan this doohickey with your phone's camera to get them. Here we go. Wide gap worm hooks. I've never used hooks quite like these. Mustard. I have heard of the brand though. But straight shank hooks, from what I know, they're supposed to be really good for panfish. And I've never really used plastics a whole lot. My family just doesn't. So I'm not entirely certain how, so that'll be a learning experience. Big Bite Baits. Kamikaze Swim-On Snot Rocket. 2 3/4 inch. There's 8 of them in there. Oh, that's cool. Smart Baits, Chartreuse Shad, 10-pack. I've never used like any plastics at all, so we will see. And we have 2 lures. Little Hammer V&M, 1/2 ounce. That'll actually go perfect with my new rod. And we've got a micro lure. Fish Lab Skinny Glide. Anyways, guys, I know it's short, but I gotta go. I'll do another video if you guys are really interested. Love you, bye.